The 2024 KTM Six Days models tear out of the pit lane sporting the Argentinian flag for only the second time in the collaboration's long history. Hundreds of riders and thousands of fans are ready to experience 6 days of flat-out, thrilling racing. The 2024 KTM Six Days are created to offer riders the ultimate enduro experience. Benefiting from an almost 95% new chassis, the KTM Six Days range sets itself further apart with an extended list of top-of-the-line components, all specially designed and built for the rigors of the International Six Days Enduro. Along with an all-new high-gloss orange powder-coated frame, closed-cartridge suspension, refined bodywork, unique 6 Days Argentina graphics, and industry-leading technology, the 2024 KTM Six Days range also features the following additional parts list. Orange frame protectors that match the frame color. We also have to say that the regular models come with a black frame color. So, if you are a fan of the orange, 6 Days model is the ideal motorcycle for you. 6 Days has very good seat cover, which fits nicely with 6 Days colors, but also gives you more grip while sitting. So you will tire your hands less while riding very aggressively. Handlebar with specific 6 Days bend. So this handlebar is very different from the handlebar that comes on the regular model. Many riders love it because it changes the handling of the motorcycle. The anthracite-coated silencer with the 6 Days logo is made of lightweight aluminum, and its very cool appearance is thanks to the anthracite coating, which has the 6 Days logo. The 6 Days comes with high-strength rims with 6 Days logo. The alloy wheels with strong CNC-made hubs. These are wrapped in ultra-grippy Metzeler 6 Days tires, providing the best traction in all enduro conditions. Orange anodized CNC machined triple clamps. Orange front axle puller looks very nice on the bike, but it is also a very useful accessory if you change front tires often. Sometimes it is difficult to pull the front axle out of the forks, but with the axle puller everything becomes simple and easy. As it is important to have a strong engine, it is also very important to have good brakes. Semi-floating front and rear brake disc will give you the best possible brakes in all enduro conditions. The wire doesn't sound useful to you, but only when branch or small log gets stuck in your brake. Then you will realize how useful this accessory is. Not only does it look good, but the orange Supersprox sprocket is also stronger than a standard sprocket. The orange chain guide is stronger than the standard one. One of the most important protections in enduro is a skid plate. It also comes with the 6 Days model. We can say that 6 Days is completely ready for action. A newly developed, optional map select switch finds its way onto the 2024 range, as is designed for quick, easy operation. On the 2-stroke range, the map select switch allows riders to select between 2 engine maps, while on the 4-stroke range, it has multi-functionality, being used to toggle between engine maps, traction control, and quickshifter options. Map 1 is the standard, more mellow map for linear, predictable power, while Map 2 is an aggressive map for added throttle response and a more crispy, explosive power output. What you definitely need for the toughest conditions in enduro riding is a radiator fan, and it comes with 6 Days models. The 2024 KTM Six Days lineup once again boasts a spread of models, with the KTM 250 and KTM 300 taking charge in the 2-stroke stables. On the 4-stroke side of the pit lane, the ever-present KTM 250, 350, 450 and 500 taking top position. The KTM Six Days range is part of a lineage and a long-standing tradition that now dates back almost 20 years. With over 3 decades of racing experience and more than 126 world enduro titles in the trophy cabinet. For racers looking for the ultimate challenge, KTM once again offers riders the opportunity to experience the full factory racing feeling. Let's race! The hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded frame has undergone major updates to improve overall dynamics, anti-squat behavior, and overall stability. Designed and constructed with specifically calculated parameters of longitudinal and torsional flex, the new frame provides exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and straight-line stability. This comes from specifically repositioned rotating masses in the frame and the forged steering head connection, together with an all-new shock mount, which is no longer connected to the main frame tube. As a result of the new frame geometry, the footrest mounts have moved inwards, making for an overall slimmer profile. This makes the foot pegs less susceptible to hooking in deep ruts or narrow tracks. However, the overall size of the footrests has increased for dramatically improved comfort and control when standing on the pegs. The new 2-piece aluminum subframe provides impressive weight savings. With the help of computational dynamics, carefully calculated rigidity was engineered into the subframe, delivering outstanding handling and feedback. The lower subframe supports and frame mounts are made from aluminum, guaranteeing lightness, robustness, and reliability, while the upper subframe is made from an injection molded polyamide, allowing for specific flex characteristics. This design has also made the subframe remarkably robust, with the subframe more likely to flex and bend back into shape in the event of an accident. All electronic components, including an all-new off-road control unit, are also fully integrated into the subframe, keeping them safe, dry, and out of the way. A new swing arm is designed to offer optimal stiffness and reliability at the lowest possible weight. The topology has been optimized for rigidity, while an improved casting process reduces weight by approximately 190 grams. A new 22mm rear axle has also been fitted to match the new flex characteristics of the chassis. A new chain guard and chain sliders have been added, resulting in improved durability and less chance of hooking on boots or external objects, as well as reducing dirt buildup around the swing arm and chain guard. Chain adjustment markings are now also visible from above to allow for quick and easy chain adjustment. All new 48mm white power closed cartridge fork finds its way into the 2024 KTM Exc lineup with a new mid-valve piston concept. This optimizes the oil flow within the cartridge for fast, consistent damping characteristics and avoids any unwanted foaming of fork oil that can lead to an unwanted change in the damping characteristics. A new hydro stop in the last 68mm of the stroke also helps to keep maximum compression in reserve when tackling extreme obstacles like steep drop-offs or jumps in special enduro stages. The fork protection rings have been updated, with a new design that provides increased protection against dirt intrusion. Overall, the total fork length has increased from 928mm to 940mm, while the stroke has increased from 292mm to 300mm, with new suspension settings taken directly from learnings made in the KTM and white power departments. The new fork also features easy adjustability, with rebound and compression being adjusted via hand-adjustable clickers on the bottom of the fork shoe and on top of the fork top cap. This allows riders to change settings on the fly without the need for any special tool and makes for quick and easy adjustments between laps or while refueling in the pits. The progressive damping system remains an exclusive signature element for KTM and sees an all-new design of the WPX PDS shock. More compact, with an overall length decrease to 402.7mm, compared to 415mm in the previous generation. Also, the stroke has decreased from 105mm to 102.7mm, with a 380 grams weight reduction. It also features a new main piston, designed to optimize oil flow and more consistent damping characteristics. New bearing seals have also been included, which now set the benchmark when it comes to maintenance and service intervals. The WPX PDS rear shock now also comes with adjustable hand clickers, allowing riders to change settings on the fly without the need for any tools. Compression is adjusted on top of the shock, with the rebound being adjusted on the bottom. Preload can also be adjusted for rider weight and preference by opening the securing ring with an Allen wrench and tightening or loosening the rear shock spring accordingly. The 2024 KTM Exc range has undergone a complete refresh to improve the rider triangle for better knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs. This, along with added contact surfaces on the bodywork, improves overall handling, agility, and rider confidence. A new flat seat profile, combined with a new orange high-grip seat cover, provides riders with exceptional control in all weather conditions, while a recessed grip pocket under the seat, just above the airbox, allows for a more secure grip when lifting the bike off paddock stands or in extreme riding terrain. This is also an integral design element that underlines the lightweight character of the 2024 EXC range. A newly designed front fender now incorporates mud fins, which provided exceptional results in dispelling and redirecting dirt and mud away from the rider and radiators in wet conditions. Thanks to precisely positioned inlet ducts aimed at preventing air deformation, the 2024 airbox design ensures maximum airflow and maximum filter protection at all times. As with previous years, the air filter is easily accessed, without tools, by removing the left side panel. Easy maintenance is guaranteed by the twin air filter and filter cage design that features a simple fail-proof mounting system for safe and accurate filter installation. Special attention has also been paid to sealing the airbox, to avoid any water intrusion in the event of extreme river crossings or downpours, with the inclusion of a splash protector under the airbox to repel any water or dirt splashing up from the rear wheel. New 8.5-liter fuel tank on 4-stroke bikes and 9-liter fuel tank on 2-stroke bikes are also new. Polythene fuel incorporates a threaded filler cap and an integrated fuel pump on the 4-stroke enduro range, with the fuel pump featuring an external fuel line that is specifically positioned to make it less exposed to damage. A new one-piece fuel pump and filter provide an improved fuel supply, allowing the tank to be emptied further at the low fuel level. An all-new and totally independent OCU replaces the use of electronic fuses and relays and can be found under the seat. In the event of any electrical component failure, the outputs are deactivated individually, with the error status of each unit indicated by a red or green LED light, making for quick and easy troubleshooting on the trail and eliminating the need to carry additional fuses.